What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Dylan. Hope you enjoy the video. So, a lot of you are probably wondering why I'm starting a YouTube channel. I'm loving. I say I'm loving it. Obviously, I am. I love motorcycles, cars, any kind of freaking motor in it. The thing's awesome. Try and help you guys understand some things. Help, go for some just rides. Like today's just gonna be a ride, doing everything, and talking about what the whole channel's gonna be about. So hopefully, see in the future certain things and see how it goes. So mostly what this YouTube channel is going to be about, basically, me doing, my everyday stuff on top of, showing you guys how to do some certain things. Hopefully, we'll do some test rides of, different kinds of bikes, super sports, the touring, even some cruisers. See if we can get something going along like that. I'm gonna learn how to wheelie. See if I can, I should say. Gotta get a few things first. I would like to protect my bike as much as possible, so gonna be looking into a cage instead of just frame sliders right now. So I'll tell you a little bit about my bike. My bike right here is a 2016 FZ09. So it's part of the Hyper Naked group. Basically, it's the middle out of the three that the Yamaha offers. Obviously, personally, I think it's the best. The MT10 looks way too big and bulky. The MT07 is just for my liking, it's too small. I haven't rode one, so I'll try and do something with one of those though. Can't say much about either one besides just the looks and size right now. I haven't rode either one. But I've done a lot to this bike. I mean, mostly just bolt-on stuff, but as you can tell, I got the universal low pro taper Carmichael bin or contour bins. So it's a lot lower. Usually the stock's like way up here. Now it's actually a little bit more of an aggressive stance and stuff. Got rid of the little freaking ears. The mirrors that they had on here were freaking bulky as everything. So I got like pro grips, super bike grips, some aftermarket handle controls, brake and clutch levers, eBay windshield. I got some OES frame sliders, the carbon fiber edition. If you guys can't tell, I got a exhaust. I have the full exhaust from M4, so it's the RM1 edition, version, edition, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm loving it. It's just loud. I mean, it's definitely a lot louder than a lot of the other bikes. So, if you're looking for loud, definitely this or even the slip-on. Sometimes in the morning your neighbors might hate you, but it's amazing. I hate people that freaking blow their motorcycle, their lawn clippings onto the road. Should be legal everywhere. Stuff's like ice for us, especially on a sports bike. I'm here in Central Florida, basically, between Daytona, Orlando, Sanford area. So that's where I'm at. Swear it's says it's supposed to rain for like the next 2 weeks straight. Today we got a nice little break. Just been cloudy as hell, so hopefully we don't get anything today. Doesn't look like it. So not sure if you guys heard about it yet. It sounds like, at least it seems like everyone's heard about it all across the states. That motorcyclist that got hit by the lightning while riding his motorcycle, that was down here probably, you know, within a half hour of here. It's insane. There's like 1 in a million chance to get hit by a lightning, and you know, it's like 1 in a billion to get hit while you're going I don't know how fast he was going, probably about 50 to 80 depending. I think it was on the highway, so it was just, yeah, it's just so unlucky. Pray to God that never happens, but I mean, things you can't control that. So when you turning, come on. Gotta get some gas here. Oh, turn signal off. Need to get a different gas cat that doesn't require my key. It's so annoying. Alright, get some 93 for this girl. Come on. Get back on the road. Took her seat. No. All right. Back on the road. Just moved down here about a month ago now, about May 10th-ish. Yeah, somewhere in that range. I moved down here. So trying to, I was born down here in Orlando, and I lived most of my childhood here. So trying to remember some of the roads and things and places to go to and do around here. Interesting things. I'll actually be going to school at the campus MMI down here. So that's Motorcycle Mechanic Institute. So that starts in late July, I think. Yeah, July-ish. I'll hopefully be able to take you guys along, at least through some of the process, and hopefully they let me do some things with you guys and bring you in and show you what goes on. Appreciate it if you guys hit that like button, subscribe, hit that little bell in the right hand corner so you get notified every time I upload. My plan is uploading at least once a week, if not twice a week, until I go to school. Then when I go to school, it's definitely probably only going to be once a week. But I got plenty of time to put plenty of videos up and on, so. And yes, I know if any guys are noticing, I don't have a jacket on. I know, I don't like it, but since I just moved down here, the jacket I got is a winter jacket, and I'm just dying in that thing. I need to get a new one. for down here, so hopefully that'll be within the next few weeks. Get a new jacket. That'd be nice. We'll see how things go. Get a jacket, maybe some new gloves. Only got these gloves like 6 months ago, but they're just, I've worn them in every kind of weather. Rain, snow, freezing temperatures. These things are beat up. I got a whole list of things I need to get. So I'll let you guys know my plans for this bike. You know, it's actually, I'll probably keep this bike for a long time. My next purchases are going to be, you know, like rear sets. I'm wanting to get a LED headlight for this thing. This is a lot better than the new style. This is just like the little one light style, other than the LED style that they have for the newer models, the 17 plus. And the lighting still sucks. Even with I have an LED headlight in there, the lighting still sucks. It is just terrible. So looking to get one of those. What else? Oh, I want to get a different seat. This stock seat feels like two pieces of 2x4. You're just sitting on them after about 45 minutes. You know, I'm a little bit of a heavier guy. I'm 250, and after about half hour, my butt starts hurting. Does not feel well. So I got that. Like I said, I want to get a cage for the bike. That'll probably be farther down the road, though. You know, cage. I do want to look into a sub cage. I think they look cool on the bike. Like, I've seen a few with the regular front cage. I haven't seen too many with a sub cage, so we'll see how that goes. That's really all right now. Rear sets. Get some rear sets for the bike. Maybe put some carbon fiber in some places. Like, this can just come off. That'll be carbon fiber. I'll get the fake scoops to come off and carbon fiber. I would love to wrap the bike someday. I mean, I love this color, this blue, when it's actually cleaned. It's a little dirty right now. It's been raining on and off, so I haven't cleaned it this week. But I would love to wrap it into like a pearl white, or, you know, a matte gray, like a gunmetal gray. I think that'd look pretty cool. So we'll see where this goes. I'm wanting to do some skydiving. There's a DeLand airport over here that does skydiving. See if I can take you guys along doing that, hopefully in a few months. Maybe that'd be pretty cool. Always wanted to do that. See if I can get my girlfriend to go with me. See if we can catch up to the Mustang. Nah, he ain't gonna do anything. Ooh, nice little Colorado for sale. Looking for a vehicle. All I got right now is this old girl. She does just fine though. What time is it? It's 4:30. Yeah, start hitting traffic. Might head back here soon. Actually, get over.